now that you're not here, everything's alright. The world is good, you said. Enjoy your times, you said. The summer flies, you said. So make a parade of every moment. Now throw away your hate and focus on what's great instead. I'm dying, so there's no time for debate. You said. Remember how you smiled? You were trying not to smile. Then you smiled and the earth stopped turning. All the images are filed. All the images keep flicking. Why are all of us so slow at picking up our cues? Nothing left to win. Nothing more to lose. The world is good, she said. Enjoy its shit, she said.